Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth and I do cleaning motivation videos, laundry, grocery haul, basically home making, and a little bit of decor here and there. If I get some items that I like, I'll do dash in some decor videos in here. And yeah, I also do cooking videos, no recipes, but just me cooking along with you guys. So today I am going to share with you my morning routine, but this is when after I have bathed, I do like this every morning. Let me say out of 5 mornings, I do this 3 over 5. I make sure that when I go out of the house is clean, or maybe when I go to sleep, the dishes are clean. But most importantly, it's when I come back to work, I don't want to come in a nasty space. So I do this cleaning in the morning every now and then. So I wake up at 4 a.m. I just wake up just to oversee my daughter preparing for school. Then I'll go out of my bed at around 10 past 5. Then I'll be preparing water for myself to bath when I come back from taking her to her transport, which is leaving at around 10 to 6 o'clock. Then when I come back, it will be 5 to 6. Then from 5 past 6, I will bath, and after bathing, I will prepare my lunch box. From there, I must just see to it that whenever I leave on a clean space, even if it's not clean, but it must be at least got together before I go. Because coming back when I'm tired from work and you find the whole place being scattered with things, it discourages me a lot. So these dishes, they were done by my daughter. They slept there because now I was cooking at that time, and I had to remove them and put them in the cupboard. And there are also dirty dishes. We don't do dishes now and then before we sleep. It's normal. I know every household they do that. Not every household, but most of the people, they go to sleep without doing the dishes. Yeah, that's just me also. I go to sleep without doing the dishes in most of the times. Not that I don't do dishes at all at night, I do. So these ones that are dirty, because I don't have time, I'll just leave it there and cover them with a cloth. So I hope you are still here. I hope I'm not boring you with my morning routine, and please subscribe to my channel, because yeah, in this channel we motivate you to do your things and we live a normal life. Guys, these are dishes cloth, and I soak them maybe every after 2 days, because you know why? Handling these clothes, people just wipe and wipe and wipe, and they do not even rinse them after wiping. So yo, they change color, guys. So I always make sure that I soak them and leave them during the day when we are out, and they will be soaking out all those brown water. Guys, people, brown water. Yeah, I'll do that and leave them, and I will wash them when I come back. But because I soak them now and then, the color is back, and the maintenance is just fine. It's just good. You see, my table is now clean and packed, even though I still have dishes that are dirty. But sometimes when my daughter comes back from school, she just wash the dishes. I think it depends on how it's her school load, the homeworks and projects that they will be doing before the following day. So I'm a mom, I'm a working mom, 9 to 5, who is trying to save some money. I do get myself a lunchbox now and then, whereas and when I can, but more often I do get myself a lunch box. We were eating chicken feet, and there were 3 left, so I'll just take that and go to have some lunch. Guys, I do take even breakfast. I take bread to eat in the morning, and on lunchtime I will eat this one that you see me packing, and I also dash in with some fruit. Those ones is a norm. Every day I do have them. So I always charge my lights every day, because at this point they are going to the finish line. They are fading away. They are no longer lasting longer. So I do have them in my bag every day. I do go with them every day. Then as for this bean, I don't. Okay, for the bean, I do take out the one in the house every day, but the one outside that you see me taking outside the gate, they take them with time, not every day. 2 weeks they take a bean. After 2 weeks they take those rubbish out there. So today it was the day whereby the truck is coming to collect. So that's just me there packing nicely, closing those things, and yeah, taking them outside for the truck to collect them, because during the day here there is no one, and if you forget to take it out, then you have been left with that thing, and it will be stinking. The drum will be full, because every collection I have 2 bags. They give us one, and now I bought another refuse bags so that I can put them inside. So every 2 weeks I do have 2 bags, and I was going to collect some bottles there. Then I saw something there to collect, to take it to the rubbish bin. As always, I am the one who is taking it out. Now I am packing my things so that I can go to work. Remember, time is not on my side also. I think it was around 5 to 7, and I really prefer to go out of the house from 7:15 until 10 to 7. But at this moment, time was not on my side because of the bean. The bean is not something that I always do, so it took 5 minutes of my time. Then it's fine, but I do not get late at work. My work starts at 8 o'clock. You guys, I cannot go outside without sweeping. That also is a normal thing that I do always in the morning. Because guys, remember, when you are tired, you don't want to do anything, and all I do when I come back from work, I cook. Sometimes my partner cook, but I know the days when he works far from home, then that's when I know this week the pots are looking for me. I'm the one who is going to cook, so I make sure I clean the space before I go outside of my house, so that when I come back, I do not have to worry. Yeah, this is always happening in my house every day in the morning. You guys, I hope you are still here. I hope you are subscribing. I hope you are getting motivated, and I believe that you also like to go out of your houses and go to work. Leave it clean. So yeah, this is me. I think it was around 7 o'clock. Then I just wanted to go. And guys, I am a person who wears spectacles. Now I cannot go out without them, so I put them every time when I get into my car. Sometimes you can see me doing laundry wearing them, and this is a new pair of spectacles. They are prescribed, guys. This is a new pair. You can see the old ones are black in color, and these ones I have changed the color and the frame. Yeah, let me just go out and reverse my car and go to work. My car sleeps outside, so there is a little bit of what is that is falling on during the night, the frost, the dew. I'm not sure which one is it, but my car has that. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you watched the earth. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.